Hi, my name is Tari, and this is my presentation on automotive safety. Step 1. Background information. The United States was introduced to automobiles in the 20th century, which was the start to fatal traffic accidents and serious public health problems. In the 1960s, 41% of deaths were associated with car accidents. In 1966, Congress passed the Highway Safety Act and the National Traffic and Motor Vehicle Safety Act, which authorized federal government to set and regulate standards for motor vehicles and highways. Improvements in automotive safety progressed throughout the century with the introduction to speedometer, electric headlamps, crash testing, shatterproof glass, and most importantly, seat belts, airbags, and car seats were the most efficient in reducing collision death. Step 2. The current situation for automotive safety. According to the World Health Organization, the current problem is that by 2020, traffic incidents will become the third leading cause of death and injuries. Globally, 1.25 million people die each year on the road. Low to middle income countries have the highest automotive accidents. According to the Global Road Safety Partnership, their mission is to sustain the reduction of road crash, death, and injury in low and middle income countries. For the SWOT analysis, the strength is the collaboration between authorities and police department to manage and prevent accidents because better traffic regulation and intervention have made the road safer for drivers. Weakness is road safety laws are difficult to enforce. Reckless, distracted drivers who are under the influence of drugs and alcohol may not all be caught by the police. For opportunity, there is a chance to develop better vehicle technology and highway infrastructure to improve driving and make the road safer. The threat is reckless drivers and distracted drivers with limited trainings and education that causes collision. Step 3. Prioritizing the core issue. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, automotive accident causing death in the United States are still very high. There are 32,000 deaths in 2003 alone that cost $380 million in direct medical costs. 1 in 3 accidents are from impaired driver from alcohol and speeding. Road safety is a serious public health issue globally because 20 to 50 million people are suffering permanent disabilities. Therefore, it is important to prioritize prevention by enforcing speed limits, seatbelts usage, sobriety checks, with the presence of police department and the law. Step 4. Analysis alternatives. A case solution that I've included here is Zero Vision, which is a traffic safety project that aims to make highway systems safer. First started in Sweden in 1997, now Vision Zero is working with the city of Los Angeles to end death and serious injuries caused by car accidents by 2025. I've also included the theoretical perspective in health belief model. According to the National Institute of Health, there are positive connections between road safety education and adolescents' behavior. The first approach is to use voice technology such as Bluetooth Series when trying to use your phone while driving. The second approach is to enhance the law enforcement on drunk and reckless driving with more police presence and severity check to ensure the safety of the road for all. Step 5. Recommendations. These are recommendations that the Center Disease Control and Prevention suggests for international road safety. The first recommendation is never to drive under the influence of drug and alcohol. Knowing and respecting the local traffic laws and speed limit will help avoid collision. The second recommendation is to always wear seat belts and use car seats or booster seats for children even in short trips. These following tips will help minimize the danger of being injured in a car accident and also avoid collision as well. Step 6. Action Plan. The United States Department of Transportation Roadway Safety Action Plans to focus on the following principle: collaborating with local police department administrations to help develop a national safety plan. Promoting safe behaviors while driving would be the best way to reduce accidents. developing safer vehicles that will improve crash avoidance and injuries. By empowering local transportation system and safety plans in order to provide a better and flexible roadway system. Taking accountability and managing the result of the roadway program to improve crash rates and reduce car accidents. This plan includes the budgetary proposal for the fiscal year of 2013 to 2017. Step 7. Opinion. In my opinion, advancement in automotive safety has come a long way since the 1900s. I believe that maintaining and improving infrastructure and highway safety would continue to reduce fatalities and serious injuries. I believe that there is no reason for people to get behind the wheel while drunk or impaired. With car services such as Uber, Lyft, the public bus, or even a designated driver, there's no reason to get behind the wheel while drunk. I also believe that with more biomechanic research, better understanding of injuries and improvements in vehicles would be the best way to protect public health. This is my reference page. I also included references and citations on the bottom of each slide. Thank you.